A group of U.S. senators has penned a letter to the Food and Drug Administration calling for enforcement of dairy label regulations. Specifically, the letter asks FDA to crack down on non-dairy, lab-grown products illegally labeled with dairy terms. Senator Tammy Baldwin, a Wisconsin Democrat, says the effort seeks to get the FDA to do its job.
This letter really tries to draw attention to this sort of newer entry into this challenge, these lab-based quote-unquote dairy products. It doesn't make any sense. These are modified microbes that they mix in a lab and put in all sorts of additives to claim at the end that they've created a product that's identical to that found in cow's milk. I don't buy it, and I don't think that consumers should be misled.
Current FDA regulations define dairy products as being from dairy animals. However, the FDA has failed to enforce these regulations, allowing non-dairy products to use dairy names. On a similar front, in July, members of the National Cattlemen's Beef Association passed a directive at their summer business meeting to continue the association's advocacy efforts on transparent labeling and inspection of cell-cultured protein products.
And if you get a mislabel like that, that consumer going to that meat counter is going to see a package of ground beef. Well, suddenly that ground beef product is not going to be differentiated from that other goop that they're trying to pass off that they grow in a big vat. So we're dealing with this legislatively, and we're also dealing with this on a regulatory basis. So we're dealing with FDA and FSIS to make sure that the labeling gets correct. But we're having to force the regulatory issue through legislative.
Earlier this year, the USDA's Food Safety Inspection Service issued 2 grants of inspection to companies producing cell-cultured chicken imitation products. These grants of inspection permit companies producing cell-cultured products to sell their products in interstate commerce. While no cell-cultured imitations of beef have received a grant of inspection, there are several companies attempting to create said products.